Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the MonstaTek M1. It's like Flipperzero's cousin, brother. Peter, put the Spider-Man meme. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Efficient, adaptable, and up for any challenge, the M1 is a compact digital multi-tool that integrates multiple hacking and penetration tools into a sleek, pocket-sized design capable of interacting with radio protocols, access control systems, and hardware. The M1 allows you to analyze frequencies, capture data, emulate signals, and more. You'll find a range of built-in features that make the M1 stand out, but it's also fully customizable. It's a tool for today, but it's built for tomorrow. Now let's talk about the choice of the MCU. No, not Marvel. So in order to, there was a quest I was finding in order to find the ultimate tech companion to this device. The STM32H was chosen as the series microcontroller, which is a standout from the STM microelectronics high performance line. Equipped with the ARM Cortex M33 core, the STM32H delivers exceptional performance. This means you get lightning fast processing speeds and a secure, reliable environment for all your tech adventures. It's the ideal choice for tasks that demand both speed and security without any compromise. Before I continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. The STM32H also includes Trust Zone, which is a top-notch security feature that keeps your sensitive data, including access codes and personal information, safe and sound. Trust Zone, hardware-based security exclusive to the high-performance line of microcontrollers, acts as a protective layer. Think of it as a secure vault for your most important digital keys, safeguarding them at a hardware level. With the STM32H at the heart of the M1, you're not just getting a gadget, you're getting a cutting-edge design for innovators and digital explorers, blending top-tier performance with ironclad security. Now, they are not sponsoring this video. This is just an opinion, okay? I don't want y'all to be out here wilding on me, okay? So next we have the enhanced user experience and connectivity. So the battery life, the M1 incorporates a robust 2100 mAh battery that provides operational time of over 14 days with minimal need for recharging. This reliable battery ensures the M1 is consistently ready for use. Then let's talk about the efficient display. The M1 has an energy-saving 1.54 inch display optimized for clear visibility in different in different lighting conditions. The display not only improves user experience with its crisp visuals, but also contributes to overall energy management, prolonging battery life. Now, you know we can't go anywhere without that USB Type-C port. The M1 is equipped with a USB Type-C port, enhancing its connectivity options. This port allows for easy connection with a wide range of devices and accessories. There is also the infrared option. Now, to unlock a new level of control with the M1, it's not just like any old remote, right? It's your ultimate command center. Why not combine all your remotes into one? With the M1, managing TV, stereos, and air conditioners becomes a breeze. No more searching for different remotes to adjust the volume or set the perfect room temperature. The M1 brings all of them together in one easy-to-use package. Now, there's a pro and con with this one, right? Because this device controls so many things, if it gets hacked, so it comes with a library of common commands, ensuring that everyday functions, adjusting the volume or turning appliances on or off, are always at your fingertips. And if you want to be, a jokester, make sure that their bill is high, the AC bill is high, keep that bill on, keep that bill on. So the M1's infrared learning function is a game changer. It allows the M1 to learn and replicate signals from your existing IR remotes. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I want to say I appreciate your viewership. I appreciate you watching and commenting. Stay safe and see you on the next video.